Hi guys, my name is Marina and today I show you electropool warmer heater. It's so cool device. It's 5 gallon in a minute. It's amazing. That's what I need for the portable pools, for the bathroom shower, and for the kids a little pool. Sometimes it's very cold and we don't want kids in a cold water, or pets and dogs and whatever, humans, and we need a heater. We need to keep the water warmer, and it's a cool device to help you with that. And I'll show you how this device is working. So I like the design. It's metal, it's durable, and please keep eyes on the kids with the electricity. And here included the instruction, so please read the instruction and I'll show you how this warmer is working in my bath.